Welcome to the learning graveyard, where spooky wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Lern. Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Lern, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Lern.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is...
Snuff a candle with sound waves. To view our What to Get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. Vibrating objects create sound waves by bumping into air molecules, which bump into the air molecules next to them, and so on. Just as vibrating objects create sounds, sound can also set up vibrations in the air. When those vibrations reach our eardrums, they cause vibrations that our brain interprets as sound.
Huh? Wow, that was exciting!
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Lern, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.